Many people are facing this on I see what. Okay, so when you created your CSD account, it's almost 2 months and it's still on pending. One of my friends sent me her account and it's still on pending, and she don't know the reason why. It's almost 2 months and CSD account is not verified. Other one also sent me the same thing. She also going through this situation. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to tell you what to do to face this fast. Okay, so the things that you do that make your verification delay is: one, when you have created the CSD account, what you have to do is, when you are typing your name, make sure the name that you are typing is the same name that is on your Ghana card. Okay, so when you type your name and when you're uploading your Ghana card, make sure the photo that you have taken is very clear. Okay, make sure the photo should be very, very clear. Don't upload any blur photo. When they request for front, make sure the front picture that you have taken is very clear and then you uploaded it. And the back also, make sure everything is clear and then you uploaded it. And when they ask you for your email account, make sure to give them an active email. Okay, so if any problem, they will email you so that you know that, oh, okay, maybe this is why my verification has delayed, so I will correct it. Okay, so make sure to give them a valid email. Okay, and a valid contact. Make sure the contact that you are using is your own contact. Don't use anyone contact. Okay, and when you're uploading your passport picture, make sure that one also should be clear, and make sure the passport picture you are uploading, the picture on it is the same as the one on your Ghana card. Don't use a picture that is different from your Ghana card. All this counts. Okay, so if you don't know this and you do, it will make your verification delay. Okay, your CSD account will be on pending 2 months, 3 months, and they won't verify you because the things you are uploading is not telling. Let's say you use different name, you type different name and different name on your Ghana card, and the Ghana card photos was not blurred, they won't verify your account. So make sure to do all these things set. Okay, your Ghana card clear, when you uploaded it clear, front and back, everything correct. For that one, you will get verified fast. Okay, and as I said, how to solve it. Okay, so make sure you're uploading your Ghana card. It should be clear. Use your valid email, active one, active contact, everything. Okay, yes, everything is you. Don't use any one email or contact to use it to, or any one Ghana card. Okay, so if you use someone card, Ghana card, okay, they won't verify your account. Your account will be on pending. They won't verify your account. Okay, and if you upload a clear photos, um everything on point, everything is you, and your account is still on pending, what you have to do is you have to contact them. Okay, when you go to the app, you see contact us. Okay, so when my friend sent me all this, the account is still on pending almost 2 months, then I contact them and this is the message they send me. Okay, so it said your CSD account setup typically takes about a month due to the review process. The delay may be caused by verification issues with your Ghana card or passport size photo. Please ensure documents meet the required standard and are clear. You may also contact our support team via email at client service at IC Africa for further assistance. Okay, so this is the message they sent me. Okay, so even in the message, they said that make sure your things you upload, your things they request for meet their requirement, okay, before you can verify on iSerious. But if you meet their requirement and your account is still on pending, then you can contact their support team. Okay, so this is what face CSD pending on IC what. Okay, if you found this video helpful, here is profit my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and if you have any comments, leave it on comment down below. Thank you for watching it. See you next time.